Kumari Tamil Nadu. I'm here with Gaurav from Puppets AI. Gaurav, tell us a little bit about yourself and your Web3 journey.
Yep. Hey again. This is Gaurav from Puppet CI, and my Web3 journey started back in 2019 as a developer. I ran my own dev agency, helped people launch a lot of cool stuff like games. We even did help build some wallets, and yeah, here we are. We though started as a dev agency. After that, I've joined as CTO in two projects, and now founding Puppet CI.
Excellent. So let's dig into the problem that you guys are specifically addressing. Tell us a little more about that.
Definitely. So the initial problems we faced when the whole AI hype came in was people were launching too many agents. Okay, I'm launching an agent for AVAX, someone is launching for Base, someone is doing the same thing for BNP, and that takes out the whole advantage of having AI agents. It's the use case of the agents is to make things simple. It is to make things easier, right? It doesn't mean that okay, here is a specific agent which allows you to trade on dexes, and here is the second agent which allows you to just help manage your staking. You cannot keep track across all these things, right, from a human perspective. So in the essence, the right agent would have been ever evolving use case where more and more features can be added without actually breaking the product itself. And at the same time, it should be able to enact multiple user requests at the same time. It should be able to interact with dexes. It should be able to interact with protocols, interact with centralized exchanges, move your money from Binance to let's say some other exchange like the Gate, and from Gate to a Dex, and then do a specific trade which you wanted. So yeah, agents should be able to do that, and they should be not chain like dependent. They should be chain agnostic. They should be protocol agnostic, and again, use case agnostic at the same time. So yeah, that's what we are building. We are building the right kind of layer, the right kind of agentic layer for Web3.
Excellent. Sounds so fascinating. Why don't you go ahead and share your screen? Let us kind of dig into the platform, see what it looks like.
Yep. So let me just share my screen.
Sure. And while you're sharing, tell us a little bit more about the name. Beautiful name, Puppets. We all love them. How did the name come about?
Yeah. So the name came as uh, essentially we named it something else, but later when we realized okay, uh, it doesn't fit exactly what our product was doing. Our product was the right puppet, the right kind of puppet which was able to do everything you ever needed in the Web3 landscape. So yeah, this is the demo which we recorded on one of our users phone. So this demo was not recorded by us, it was recorded by one of my earlier testing users. So this was also our one of the initial demo apps.
Very cool.
Yeah, just
Oh, I'm not sure it's plain.
yeah, just a minute. Just let me try resharing this thing.
Sure, yeah. Try resharing it one more time. Gaurav, you there?
Yeah, I'm just resharing it. I'm checking on my internet speed. Maybe the issues with internet. Exactly. So yeah.
Okay. No worries.
Is my screen visible? No?
Um, no, not quite yet.
Okay. Yep. So yes, it's The whole internet is lagging a little bit with my video also going on.
Yeah, your video is lagging just a bit there.
Yep. Uh, Let me
Now,
just.
now you're good. Now you're good.
Now I'm good.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me try sharing it.
Got to plug in the Jeopardy music. Little intermission time.
No, we are back. Yeah. So it was lagging, so I just downloaded a video. That was a much better choice. So yeah, hopefully it's visible. So this
Yeah,
was
we're
one of
good.
the earlier demos, which when we launched on Camp Testnet, we even did a small campaign there for some of our early testers, give them Genesis NFTs and something like that. So yeah, um, this basically shows a simple example that from a single interface, so many opportunities, like it can help you explore DeFi opportunities, it can help you mint NFTs, it can help you check token balances on a new chain, which is like Camp. At that time, Camp was pretty new, and even do transactions on that. So yeah, it can also help you do analysis across different data sources. So it allows you to see, okay, how is the BTC performing in the last 24 hours. So yeah, uh, we try to be as much as diversified instead of depending upon one single chain or one single
Right.
ecosystem.
Hmm.
We just didn't want it to play with Helium. We just didn't want it to play with a single chain, let's say moment-based chains or move-based chains. What we really wanted to in our spirit was build an agent which was versatile enough to be able to help users across different chains, across different protocols,
Right.
central exchanges, and at the same time also help users to research, to analysis. So yeah, all in one Web3 companion, that kind of thing. So
Awesome.
yeah.
And how were you able to, from a technical standpoint, connect all these chains together?
Uh, yeah, that's honestly the most difficult part, and that's where basically the whole thing, the whole thing of chain abstraction comes in. Chain abstraction went really famous, and people were talking about chain abstraction way back in 2024. It was really hyped up. But was chain abstraction really meant to be used in wallets only? No, I believe it was meant to be used in use cases like these. Agents being able to attract, to act across different chains at the same time, and abstracting away the whole concept of, okay, I'm on EVM based chain, I cannot go on Solana, or even in EVM, I'm on L2, I cannot easily go to a L1. So yeah, we basically abstracted away all these, issues. So we use chain abstraction as our code.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Cool. And what types of use cases are you seeing from users the most?
So most of my beta users tried this. What they were trying was exploring different DeFi opportunities, across different platforms. So recent meme token launches where they can snipe in, or tokens which were underperforming but might have a chances of good performance in upcoming days. So what they were essentially doing, they were looking for the nice DeFi opportunities, nice staking opportunities, then doing using the analysis at the same time to analyze this opportunity, and so combining these different agents in a single app, they were able to like do some small profit mechanism games. So one of my recent interest has been, when it comes to Puppet CI, is letting Puppets automate perps, perpetuals, and prediction
Yes.
markets.
Oh,
So
okay. Congrats.
we are into working on that too. Yeah, like being able to automate things in prediction markets as soon as the agent, let's say, has a specific, you did send alert, right? You created an alert into the agent, and then you created a specific
Mhm.
strategy, and whenever the agent identifies, okay, this is the chance, this is the alert we have been waiting for, and this is the strategy the user has asked me to implement, it does implement it. So yeah, prediction markets are the next big thing. I also believe that, and yeah, Puppet CI is already on it.
Excellent. Um, Why don't you tell us a little bit more about the product roadmap?
Yeah. So the Puppet CI companion app, which I just showed you, it's going live. Most probably um, tomorrow only, and we have just like changed the whole UI. So I will give a sneak peek to you later, so
Yeah,
you will
we'd
be
love
able
to
to check
see.
out the new UI. Yeah, we remodeled the interface, and after that, once the companion app is live, we will be taking live our no-code agent builder, which will basically allow you to create your own agents, create your own strategies just from chart or by dragging and dropping interface. Um, on the same note, I would like to demo that as well uh,
Sure.
before the end of the call.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, feel free. Go ahead and demo that. Yeah, we'd love to see.
Okay, sure.
We also, super curious about the tokenomics, if you wouldn't mind sharing that as well.
Yeah, so tokenomics is essentially deflationary. So whenever the agent users use it, um, okay, again I'm facing network issue. So just let me download this video as well. By the time, yeah. So coming to tokenomics, essentially we made it deflationary. So whenever a user does anything on on the app, maybe makes a request, or maybe define some DeFi strategies and tries to execute it. What we basically do, we charge them some of our token Puppet CI tokens, and we use these tokens to be burnt away. 50% of it gets burnt away right away. So in a way, it creates a very deflationary model where we are not actually accumulating and dumping on our users, but essentially we are burning away most of the tokens away. So slowly it increases the value prop of the token itself. Um, on the other hand, most of the supply is dedicated to, like, almost 50% of the supply is dedicated to the ecosystem itself, not to the team members, not to the founders, not for marketing, or not for airdrops even. It's essentially dedicated to ecosystem only. Rest goes to the launch holders, which will be like 10% of the supply will be going to the initial launch holders, and then in similar way we will keep on releasing the supply slowly, but most of it rests in the ecosystem.
Absolutely. Very cool. Do you want to try sharing your screen just one more time? See if we can see what happens.
Yeah, sure. Let me just try that.
Yeah, no worries.
I suggest let's wait 2 minutes more, because can still see it's buffering. So yeah. By the time,
Okay.
any other questions?
Yeah, sure. Why don't you tell us a little bit more about the team?
Yeah, so this journey started as a solo founder. Before this, I was CTO of Metagraph, which is now Kazar, and we were doing a lot of around AI in game development. And even before that, I was already building in at the around 3D and AI stuff way back in AIverse. But after that, being a co-founder and CTO for a long time, I decided, okay, I have this thing in my brain. I have this vision. I have this product which I have in my mind, and I want to do that. So way back in December, I started it as a solo founder. But recently, the team has expanded up to 4 guys now. One is a front-end dev who is pretty good. He does some really amazing UI work, and the other is again a friend of mine who has been working with me a long time in business development and marketing. So yeah, basically now we have 4 guys, most focused around development and business development. So we're trying to get some good chains and get some good ecosystems on board as well. I'm audible.
Hi Gaurav. Yeah, you're audible. We just lost Tony.
Okay.
Hopefully, he may join us in few minutes. Okay, please,
Okay, no worries.
please stay on call. Okay, meanwhile, can you show our like audience how your product looks like and the video you're playing?
Yeah, yeah. So let me give you the demo for the next,
Yeah,
next thing.
sure.
Is it visible?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, this is the other demo where basically it was the first version of our agent builder, which allows you to make agents and strategies, and here you can just track the Ethereum, Arbitrum MCPs, and there's a whole list of it. Uniswap, OneInch, any protocol, any chain you want, and you can use them to create your custom strategies. Create your own custom chat flows. So how the agents will be communicating with each other, and we'll be working with it. So yeah, we have this chat flow thing. We have the agent flows, which is basically for creating your own agent systems, right? Your own AI assistants, and helping you manage your data, variables, and a marketplace where you can basically monetize your agents. So other users, when they use it, you basically earn a part of the fees itself. So yeah, this was the first version. Now we have a better one which is coming up, which also allows you to create and do all this stuff just from chat only, not just from not just by dragging and dropping. So it removes away the whole technicality and the complexity of the app itself, and makes it easier for even non-dev audience to be able to refine their own strategies and their own agents.
Wow, that sounds really amazing.
Yeah.
And yeah,
It's one of the most amazing stuff I developed along the way. Turning this drag and drop app into agent itself. Imagine an agent spawning other agents. It's like a uh, uh, it's like a spawn game.
yeah,
Yeah. Uh, so we are going to see a lot of poly market and such other bots and agents coming up from Puppet CI. People are just going to type in their strategies, what they want, and the agents will be like, okay, they will be spawning. And I hope a lot of people do this eventually and enjoy this once it goes live.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. Okay. Okay. So you have already explained. Okay. Let me check with the Tony.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, he's having some severe issue with the internet. So okay. So okay. Can you please let our audience where they can find you, your product, and about you?
Yeah, so the easiest way is just Googling Puppet CI, and you can mostly find us on top puppetci.net. That's one of the easiest way. You can also find us on X as well. Basically, the Puppet CI is our X username. You can find us there as well. Uh, and above all, we are launching today. So yeah, pretty much sad about that. We're launching on Siren today, and we'll be live in, let's say, almost 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, you will be able to find us there too.
Yeah. Yeah. So we are excited about your launch, and we wish you all the best for your team and you.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
yeah, just rock it.
Thanks a lot, Nabil.
Yeah. Okay. Glad to have you on our stream. Wish
Yeah,
you all the best again. Okay. Bye.
yeah.
Take care.
Bye bye. Have a great time.
Yeah. You too.